Magkano nga ba ang kapital for a 200-head layer chicken business? Bakit ko nga ba pinili ang layer chicken business? Number one, madali siyang i-manage kasi merong mga packages na ready to lay na talaga yung chicken and included na yung mga cages like this one. So, meron na din siyang kasamang mga water dispenser. So, kompleto na lahat. Number two, kaya nyo siyang gawin kahit nasa backyard nyo lang. Itong area namin is 4 meters by 6 meters. And kasya na dito yung 200 heads ng chicken layers. Now, for the expenses for this chicken layer business, inabot ako ng about 35 to 40,000 pesos to put up this poultry house. Actually, medyo mura na yung expenses ko for the poultry house kasi yung space na to, meron na talaga siyang coconut trees dati. And because of the bagyo, we really need to clear yung area na to. So, para magamit na din yung coco lumber. Yan, ito na yung ginamit namin for the poultry house. Kasama na din dito sa expenses na yon yung labor, yung rental ng chainsaw, and yung electrical installation and extension ng water line. For the ready-to-lay chicken package naman, I got 200 heads of ready-to-lay chicken for 140,000 pesos. That package already includes the cage and yung mga water dispenser nila. Yung maganda dito, meron ng management guide, yung supplier. So, they will give you a list of the vitamins and how frequent you need to give it to your chicken. Plus, meron na din dong feeding guide. Kung gusto mo naman na ikaw yung magpagawa ng cage ng chicken mo, pwede ka naman kumuha about 450 pesos per head. Yung price ngayon sa pagkakaalam ko, range about 80 to 100,000 pesos per 100 heads of ready-to-lay chicken. For their feeding, dadating sila sa inyo about 18 to 19 weeks old na sila. Ready-to-lay na yun. And yung feeding nila is 10 kilograms of feeds per day for 100 heads. Overall, ito yung expenses ko for my ready-to-lay chicken. So, I assumed na for the first month, hindi pa stable yung egg production natin. So, out of the pocket pa yung magiging expenses natin for the feeds. That's about 20K. Nasa 200,000 pesos yung capital natin for 200 heads na layer chicken business. So, para dun sa mga gustong mag-put up ng layer chicken business nila, meron akong konting tips para sa inyo. Yung mga supplier ng mga ready-to-lay chicken, yung minimum set nila is nasa 48 heads. 6 na cages sa baba and then 6 sa taas. Per cage naman, meron dong 4 chickens. Usually, 48 chickens lang dapat siya, pero minsan nagbibigay sila ng extra na 2. So, for 50 heads, okay na rin naman yun for starting ng inyong egg production business. Pero kasi, if you are going to invest in a poultry house like yung ginawa nga namin, hindi ko siya ROI kung 50 heads lang yung ilalagay ko sa ganito kalaking space. So, min-maximize ko na, inubos ko na lang din yung area na to. I went for the 200 heads na chicken layer. So, yun lang naman for today's video, guys. Kung gusto nyong i-share ko yung progress ng egg layer business namin, please comment below kasi gawa natin yan ng part 2.